Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how to enact laws in Heroes of Might and Magic, Olden Era. Faction laws are a new mechanic introduced in this installment of Heroes of Might and Magic. They provide players with one-time rewards and permanent buffs throughout the session, affecting areas such as economy, hero strength, unit stats, and more. To enact laws, you first need to earn the required law seals used to unlock them. To gain a law seal, you must fill the law points bar located below the laws menu. You can earn law points by constructing or upgrading buildings that generate them each turn, as well as by defeating enemy heroes and neutral armies. Once the law points bar is filled, you'll receive one law seal. You can immediately spend that seal on a law that costs one seal, or save it for later if you're aiming for more expensive laws. When you finally have enough law seals for the law you want, simply select it and click Enact. After enacting the law, the required law seals will be consumed and the law's bonuses or rewards will activate immediately. Make sure to plan your laws carefully, since choosing the right ones can greatly strengthen your strategy and improve your chances of winning the match. And that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.